Ready for my favorite holiday pie? It's a bad video because I don't know what I'm doing, and this is the first time I've done it. Here are the ingredients. I use pre-made pie crust. I know that's cheating, but it's better than mine. This is a sour cream pecan pie, in case I didn't say that before. You are going to mix together the cinnamon, the flour, and the sour cream. Blend it up really good. Throw in the 2 eggs that you've already done, the sugar, a little vanilla, stir it up. Add in the pecans, but before you do, take out a 1/4 cup, set it aside for the topping at the end. Pour it in your pie crust, bake it in the oven. Yum, yum, yum. And then I like to top it with real whipped cream. That's whipping cream or heavy cream with a little dash of powdered sugar, a little dash of vanilla. Mix it all up, toss it on the pie, sprinkle the pecans, and you're done. Happy holidays. I hope you love my favorite pie.